BSF Recovery team. We're just getting a wrecker on the hoist here so we can address that flywheel issue. We'll let you take a look at that once we get it up. But meanwhile, here's a recovery from Memorial Weekend. The first one is Saturday. Well, it's the next day and we're down here at Trollhagen. Today's a big day. The trail's open. We're heading in to get the wrecker ready. We have 5 or 6 other wreckers here today to take care of all the breakdowns and get them off the trail, keep traffic flowing. So we'll see how much work we get. I want to remind you that Trollhagen is privately owned. It's not a public off-road park. So the only time that you can publicly come and play is Memorial Weekend. With that being said, if you want more information on Memorial Weekend Off-Road Rally, check out memorial4x4.org for more information on the event or the Minnesota Go Four-Wheelers. All right, well, we got our first call, and it's out at Stroker Ace, and it's a Tahoe. It's got a busted tie rod, so it needs a wrecker. We're headed in to Stroker Ace. That's on the White Trail, and we'll pick him up and take him out. We're going in the exit, and we'll cut across.
Put a sheet of paper between the two vehicles.
Yeah, we get a little tight in here. And like I say, we're going the wrong way, but just for a short distance.
Well, the nice thing about going out here right now, it's not dusty.
Nope. We got rain last night, and it took care of the dust, at least for a while. Way, and we ran into a little bit of traffic jam, but I got a shortcut. I just got to get 3 vehicles ahead. I'm taking the shortcut, but we got a shortcut right ahead. We just got to get 3 vehicles moved, and then we got a shortcut that'll cut a bunch of the traffic on the obstacle that's down the hill. So now we're moving.
They sit in the middle and they don't have to steer and they don't have to take the fence up and down.
Yeah.
But it's fun anyways. Now I gotta do it again?
Yeah.
Should have warned me. All of the gates, but it's the secret back way.
Okay, thank you.
Well, mister, what happened?
Well, you take a Chevy IFS and you find the weakest link to tie rods. That's the one part I didn't grab from U-Pull before I came here. But O'Reilly's down the road's got her on hand, so.
You already checked that out?
Yeah, oh, I called them as soon as it happened.
All right. As you can tell, the buggies are a little bit loud. We've got a Tahoe over here that needs to get some work done to it as soon as Bronco guy gets out of the way.
All right, we'll get him hooked up here.
Which side was it? This side or the right side or left side?
This side right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you definitely got all the goodie out of that thing.
Yeah. Next one we'll get some angle iron welded to it.
There you go.
Yep, right there. Hit that hook. There you go.
Got Travis as cameraman and Ace helper, so got things tied up. Got him on the hook. The guy's got parts ordered. It's all good. Old school groundhogs.
Laying in a pile of gravel behind the shop.
We cut onto the blue trail and we'll head out from here.
Wave to the crowd.
Well, I tried.
Well, you did a good job.
All right. Up over this hill, we're going to drop another cable. Then we'll be back on the white trail. And you'll see where we're at. Okay, it's an easy out from here. This is actually the way we came in. So we're heading the right direction now. And our exit is right over here. Got to get him to his campsite.
There's Iron Rock Off-Road. And the line goes on forever.
Well, it looks like all the monster trucks are here.
We have a Bigfoot sighting. Oh, we got a Freedom. That's got to be a heck of a ride. Grand Champion against the grain. Going to be a good show this afternoon.
Yeah.
Now we got to cross the road and bring them back to camp. This is the trail that goes down into camp. There's the third scout. Favorite words. I'll see you in the woods.
Yeah. Well, we got to see what's next. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, Be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Well, how'd you like that recovery? Now let's take a look at the flywheel. So, can you see that there? See how that's all ground off? Yeah. We need to replace that. Now, step one is to remove the drive shaft. Everything is covered in mud. We'll wash everything as we take it apart, or actually as we put it back together. Now we gotta take the cross member out, which is loose. Okay, that's out. Oh, looks like we'll be calling Adam's drive shaft on Monday. Well, anyway, don't forget our live on Wednesday, and we're going to continue to work on this in between editing videos for you. So stay tuned.